everyone! This is our 5th day here in Mexico, and today here we're going to Cabo San Lucas. So ito na yung pangatlo naming day dito sa Mexico. This is the last day, unfortunately, pero happy yung lahat. Kakaiba ngayon kasi today will be a tendering, so that means walang gangway or walang walkway going outside. So from our ship, open nila yung pinaka-entrance nila, and then there's a boat that's gonna pick us up from our ship going to the other side of the island. So I'll show you later kung paano yan. See you again. Woo. Ciao. Nakababa na kami dun sa tugboat or sa small boat namin, papunta dun sa pinaka main island. Doon kami mag-spend ng time. I believe before 2 o'clock dapat nakabalik na kami dito, otherwise may iwan kami. Pupunuin nila itong boat na to kung kaya nila punuin, and then we'll go from there and we're gonna go there. We'll see you there. Yun yung opening kanina sa gangway, doon kami naggaling. And from here, dadaling kami sa island. Actually, hindi siya island. Ayun yung city ng Cabo San Lucas. Ayan. Gising na gising sila. Mga nag-breakfast to eh. Aming kapitan. Kapitan, you're good there. That's good. That's good. Oh guys, saan kayo pupunta?
Kay Kuya Pa.
Yeah. Station nila ng aming tender boat. na kami ngayon. Dito. Yung mga private yacht. Dami mga turista dito.
Hi guys, picture!
Pagdating nyo sa pinaka-port, marami nag-o-offer ng mga pictures, family pictures, or mga tours, bus and tours, cab, Uber. Maxi! Yan, meron silang sneak dog. Yan.
How about goggles and a shirt? That's it. We have one kind of water bottle. ¿Qué tiene? Bonito. ¿Puedes revisar esta? Check in the table.
Check in table here? Oh, check in here?
Yes.
Am I okay?
Thank you. Goggles, shirt.
Side right.
Any fresh fruit?
No, fresh fruit no.
This burrito?
Burrito. For lunch. Gracias. So, may nakuha kaming boat to go for special island. $10 each lang kami lahat. So, mura to compare sa mga other boats na nag-o-offer sa labas. May maraming may pupunta.
Then we want to see Netus figure, which is there. But with the locals call it Baja California upside down. So we're there, see? The window to the Pacific, the Sea Lions Colony, the Parks Cave, the Spoonie Rock Formation, and the Arch. Look, there's your cruise ship. San Andres Cave, only adults can go in there. But 9 months later, 3 come out. Here we have a rock formation that looks like fingers. And the Seahorse Rock Formation. It's 9 points totally. And if you decide to stay at Lovers Beach or Medano Beach, it's only one beach.
Okay.
You have to choose Lovers Beach or Medano Beach.
Okay.
But it's very important to tell me at what time you guys want to be picked up.
You go with 6 people. Lovers Beach is the one over by the rock over there, right?
No. That one.
That way,
Oh,
that way.
that's right, yeah.
The arch is right behind.
Oh yeah, this one over there.
So
Yeah.
this is the arch, that's Lovers Beach.
That's Lovers Beach.
And this is Divorce Beach. Are you married?
Huh? Yeah.
Okay, then go swim there and that's Divorce Beach.
Okay.
Divorce Beach? Okay, let's go, Jong. Let's go, Divorce.
Divorce Beach because the water is very rough.
Ah.
Swim in there, you drag swim.
Oh, no good, no good.
Not good.
What about the Lovers Beach? Is it safe?
Yes, that's why we dropped enough people there. Anybody wants to snorkel?
No.
Anybody? Okay.
Look for the wheelchair.
How many more left to pay? Everybody pay already?
What?
Everybody
It's
pay
three
already?
family, it's three family.
Halimbawa, pito na kayo. O, isa sa inyo magbabayad nung
Okay.
pito na piso.
So you still owe us $7.
$7 more.
No, you owe us $7.
Oh yes.
You owe me
You owe us.
six, you owe her 7. So give us the,
Here, who gave me 3?
and then you owe me 3.
Then there's 10. Cash it over there at the beach. But I don't have 10. Easy for me.
Yan, dito kami sa La Brujita. Ito yung magdadala sa amin
So you
sa
still owe us
island.
1.
Pupunta kami dito
Sa
sa
kanya.
sa Ark.
Sa kanya.
Ay, 7 sa
And
kanya.
then, saan pa ba? Dito sa may beach dito.
So $1 more.
May sinatawag na Divorce Beach kasi magkahiwalay daw ang island na to. And then, medyo delikado sa mga kids kasi malakas umigop yung current.
Ah, okay.
So, we're just gonna stay right here. Mas safer daw para sa mga kids and forever.
Ay, and sister, akin na yung ano,
may bayad si sister eh.
$1.
Na, so dito pala nagkakagulo-gulo na sa bayan.
Okay, follow the leader.
Kunin mo dito yung 7.
Let's go.
You guys are good?
Pasya sa'yo.
Bili na lang tayo ng
Okay, let's go guys! Let's go folks! Yan, nag-rent na kami ng boat para dun sa iba namin pupuntahan. Not really. Maybe in the future. Hi.
Hi. Put me on YouTube. Just kidding.
Are you from Philippines?
Yeah, we're from the Philippines.
Oh.
Focusing on.
So you can speak Tagalog? Not really? Konti lang.
Konti lang po.
I have a YouTube channel. It's Pasyal with Kuya Val.
Oh.
Can you say Pasyal with Kuya Val?
Basha with Kuya Val.
Yes.
Ah.
Take care guys. Enjoy. Hello.
Welcome to Cabo.
You're the kapitan?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
We'll drive the boat in a minute.
Yes. Yan, so dito kami pupunta sa kanilang boat. So ang cost is $10 each. Per person yun, $10. And then dahil sabi nga nung nag-organize na itong mga boat rentals, government pa rin ang nagmamay-ari na itong mga port dito, so we have to pay $1 per person additional. So bale $11 each person. Yan. Then dadaling kami dun sa aming Divorce Beach ba yun? Or sa may arch.
Going to be a Pacquiao tour, okay?
Oh, you know Pacquiao, ah?
I'm not mentioning Marquez because
No, I like Marquez.
I don't mention Marquez because you guys gonna get mad at me.
No, I'm okay. I'm with you.
Okay.
There we go.
La
So,
playa,
dito na kami.
playa del amor. Entonces me voy a pecar. Ahí están las arreglas con ellos.
Life jacket for safety.
What's your name, buddy?
Marvin. Yeah.
Okay, so my captain is the one that works hard for the team, okay?
Yes.
Okay. ¿Dónde está todo?
Gracias, amigo.
Watch your hands, guys. Put it inside all the time.
Really? Jose.
Jose.
Jose is the kapitan. Can I have a life jacket, Jose? Ani. There you go. Tranquilo, tranquilo. So, ang time now is 8:30. We have to be picked up at 12 o'clock para makarating kami ng on time sa aming ship. Yan. So, for safety talaga, kailangan nung mag-wear ng life jacket dahil nasa tubig pa rin tayo, just to be safe. Yan.
We are going to Pasyal with Kuya Bob.
Yan, mamamasyal sila. Amigo, what's your name?
Jose.
Jose.
That's my real name. My fake name is Tato.
Oh, Tato. Tato.
Tattoo, I don't want over.
Ha 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 ha. So yun guys, nakaalis na kami dito sa port ng Cabo San Lucas. Nandun din na kami sa isang island. I think they call it the Arch. So ganda yung lugar na yun kasi kompleto na may beach.
Lovers
Maganda
Beach.
yung viewing. At sabi na Lovers Beach daw doon. And then meron din isang Divorce Beach. Subukan natin mag-press Divorce Beach. Baka magkaroon ng improvement. Ang mga kinukulang dyan. Just joke and joke. Guys, medyo maalon. Pero so far, nakangiti naman itong mga kasama natin. Nag-enjoy naman sila. cruise ship. Oh, may seal ayon guys. Right there, if you guys can see it. Yan. Can see sea lion right there. Yan, sumasabay sa amin ang sea lion. Guys, sea lion. Yes, right there. Gagawin naman ng mga bata at matanda ay magsi-swimming.
Right here, this is best playing Cabo for snorkeling and scuba diving, okay?
Oh, okay.
So over here, you want to see a fish right there in the glass, that one. Oh, yeah.
Oh, this fish here? We'll see. So, ito raw yung spot for fishing and snorkeling.
Ayun!
But there, ayun, meron nga. Dami sa ilalim.
Dito dami!
Banet?
Yeah!
Wala makita. Outside is a lot. There. Yan o. Yan. So ito yung spot for fishing and for snorkeling. Yan. Yan. Isda dyan. Yun o.
Nakabaliktad yung isa nakabaliktad.
Tilapia.
Dami yun.
Yun. Yeah. So dito yung mga nag-fishing daw, itong area na to. So dito, yan, pang fishing and snorkeling area. Yan. There you go. Yan, yung mga nagpa-paddle. Yun o, magaling mag-paddle dyan. Oh, si Dion oh, si Dion.
Dion.
And then eto naman yung mga mag-scuba diving. Oh, sila oh. Mga maratapang dyan, mag-scuba. Pwede dito, scuba adventure. Ayun. Yeah.
Oh, so
What's the name?
Lovers Beach.
There's lovers, there's divorce beach.
Dito yung Lovers Beach and Divorce Beach. Yan o. Malakas ang alon dyan.
Hilahin ko.
Okay, between the front,
Yeah.
the name of cave is not.
Yeah.
Everybody goes to that. 2 people go in, 2 people get out.
Ito. Tahimik sila rin, tahimik.
Nga seryoso makatakot.
Yun o, lakas ang alon doon. Natin nyo yan? Malalim na yan. Dapat talaga rito marunong ka lumangoy. Yan o, see? Wow.
And here I want to show you a cave between the rock.
Yun yung rock doon.
Pacific
Look at the wave here. Wow. It's like a window there. No.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Here, let me show you the rock formation like a Scooby-Doo rock.
Scooby-Doo what? Oh yeah, Scooby-Doo that. Doon, Scooby-Doo daw yun. Then that's the arch. That's the famous arch right there. Ah, lakas ng alon, no? That's the arch. Here. Guys, Matt, here. Come here, video. Yes. That's the arch. Magbad na kami ron, pero as a family, nakarating kami rito and we're so happy and blessed that you're here.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, guys. You happy, Matt? Yeah. Once in a lifetime, buddy.
I can go here.
Huh?
What if I'm rich?
Yo, that's a different story.
So, not once in a
For now.
lifetime.
Okay, you can do that, yes.
Yeah, but it's not unless
Yeah? Oh! Marker yun ng ito, Pacific Ocean. After yun, Pacific Ocean na to. Right there. Woo! Oo nga, ano daw. Yan o. Punta dito, guys.
Meron ba yung
Ayun ba?
halo? Are you sure? Single eh.
Kaya sa Labas Beach, hindi ako sa kaliko. Or you can go to Pelican.
So where are we going to swim? Pelican is Lovers.
Fishes?
Ano dun, Miraps?
Yan, after this step.
Pelican na lang pa. Oh, Pelican or balcony is nice right there, nice. What's that one? Balcony. Or couple of refrigerator. That one shows is nice. That one is a little for not today. Not today. For real. I can do that one. The Pelican. Pelican where it's snorkeling with sea fishes. That's Pelican. Oh, I want to show the other one and then you show the fishes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, honestly, the Labas Beach.
Yeah.
Swimming.
That's it.
Is there a shark here? Shark? No shark? What?
That's me. No.
It's not my bed, you know, it's just shoveling around, it's not away.
It's far away.
Yeah, you see the shovel.
Sometimes the shark will go.
Oh, okay. Nothing. Yun, wala raw shark dito. Ito yung Devil's Cave. Kasi pag pumasok ka rito, hindi ka na makakalabas. Lakas ka naman ng alon. Scary. bababa. Doon kami mag-stay for 2 hours para makapag-swimming ang mga bata dito kasi medyo mababaw and safe at hindi masyado malakas ang current.
Meron maliit doon sa
Yeah, we're ready.
Ready?
Just getting ready para bumaba doon. Yan. Saan bababa?
Oo, kailangan na. Wala akong box, baby. Wala.
Go, go. Baba. Dito sila. Okay, sister, go. Good?
Wala, ate! Ate, hindi ka mapupuka.
You good? And jump. Whoa! Yuse! Anyway na kami. Ayan. Iniwan na kami. Ayun na kami ship. Anong sister? Okay ba? Thank you, guys. Look at the sun. Wow. Hey, everyone is wet now. Look at here. You know. Ayan na, naiwan na kami rito. We're stuck here. Guys, we're stuck here. Ayun namin ship, pero hindi naman ganun kalayo. But then again, hindi mo pwedeng languin yan dahil sobrang lalim yan. Nice here. Yan, dito na kami sa isang island dito sa... Ano ba ito? Asan tayo? Asan tayo? We're here sa Cabo San Lucas and right now nag-rent kami ng boat. It costs us $10 each, but there's a $1 extra charge for the port. It's like a port fee. So for a total of $11 each person. We are 10 and na-accommodate kami ng isang boat which is nilibot namin yung island from here. There's a Devil's Cave. There's a Lovers Rock and Divorce Rock formation. Makita nyo kanina sa video ko earlier if you noticed that. And then ngayon sa beach, sa amin lang tong beach na to. So far, kami pa lang ang nandito, wala pa ako nakikita ibang tao. And we're gonna be here until 12 PM kasi we have to go back to the ship earlier. Kasi ang last embarkation ng mga passenger and crew is 2 PM. So hopefully, ma-maximize namin yung 3 hours time namin dito sa beach. Yan. Tingnan nyo to. Ayan o. Ayan. Tawag dito Pigeon. Pigeon Island. Yan. So from here hanggang dun sa kabila, access namin dito. And so far, walang ibang tao nandito, which is a good thing for privacy na rin. And then yung ship namin nasa harap lang, right there. Ito rin yung waves. Yan ang gusto ng mga bata, yung waves. Tsaka yung sand dito, sobrang lambot. Pinong-pino. Diba ang feel? How's the sand here, guys? So far, Puerto Vallarta, Mazatlan or here? Huh? Which one?
The last one, because there's waves.
Here? Oh, yes
If
it is.
there's waves here, then
There's
yeah.
waves right there. Look at that. There's waves. Ayun, yun na kasi mga hinahabol ng mga bata yung waves talaga daw. Habang naliligo at nag-i-enjoy yung mga bata, ang mga bagets, ang mga magulang ay nandito nagtatago sa sulok, nagtatago sa bato-bato at panay ang kodakan. May ligo ba kayo? May picture?
Wala akong swimsuit. Okay lang, ito na lang lahat. Akala ko
Let's go swim. Wow. Woo! Sarap. Malamig siya. Pero I think compare sa Puerto Vallarta, the first beach, and then the second one is yung Mazatlan. I think Cabo is the best.
Cabo is the best.
Cabo is the best, guys. Personally, I think ito yung pinakamaganda so far sa beach na napuntahan namin sa tatlo. Out of 3, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan namin. And agree lahat, lalo ni mga bata kasi maganda ang waves dito at maalon. Yan! Look at this. And then nasa likod lang namin yung ship, oh. Doon lang siya. Woo! Doon sa kabila, may mga nag-i-snorkeling doon, malalim na ron eh. Yan, tawag na doon pigeon. Pigeon. Yan, tingnan nasa beachfront kami. Yan. From there, doon, hanggang doon. O yun, may tao na, may boba na. Yun, may kasama na kami. Kanina, wala pa eh. So, dumadami na rin so far. At maganda talaga ang tubig. Clear siya, oh. Clear. Di ma'am? Woo! Ah, si Kuya Yuri, oh. Oh. Nakita. Woo! So clear. Malamig talaga. Let's go, guys! Di ko lahat. Woo! Oh, what are you guys doing here?
Taking a pit.
Huh? A pit? Is that gonna be your bathroom?
That's our bathroom.
Matt, what you doing? How's the sun here? Is it like Boracay, Matt?
Huh?
Is it like Boracay?
I don't know.
What are you talking about? Video ko yung mga balyena, sirena, ano pa? Dolphin.
Mga dolphin nandito.
Dolphin from
Dolphin. Woo!
Calgary.
Ayan, oh. Ayun yung ship namin, oh.
Si Yuri.
Yung ship namin, oh.
Nandoon si Stel.
Ayun, oh.
Dami ng ano ko.
Yeah, ayi, ayi. Ayi. Ayi, agoy, agoy.
Lalagay na malalim. Wala ka malalim kasi.
No, no. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Ayoko na dito. Ayoko na dito.
Agoy.
Ayaw, ang mga adults, picture.
Ha?
Yung picture.
Hindi tayo.
Ang weird dito, no, my
Lakasan ng wave dito, oh. Lakasan ng wave. Yeah. Hang on it. Oh guys, pro tip oh. Pro tip ba?
Pro tip.
Ang mga smartphone, malakas makasagap ng wifi.
Nag-set ako ng
Yan
picture
nakapansin nyo ng mga pictures. Send.
sa gitna ng isla.
Nasa gitna tayo ng island. Nakapag-Facebook pa yan using what? Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi lang yan. Yung iPhone. Ako naka-iPhone ako pero kahit minsan hindi ako makasagap ng signal dito ng Wi-Fi. Pero itong mga Android or smartphones, maybe LG, Samsung, ano pa ba yan? Google or oh, basta kahit ano, smartphone, mas malakas sumagap ng Wi-Fi. So, pro tip, kung mga naka-iPhone kayo, pagpalit kayo ng smartphone for the meantime para makasagap kayo ng mga signal ng Wi-Fi. Yan guys. Pasinin nyo, ang dami ng tao ngayon. Diba kanina halos konti pa lang. Ngayon ang dami na. Yan. Siguro may mga more than 10 families na ngayon nandito at nag-enjoy sa pool. I mean, the beach. Wow. So, dinadala nila from here. Bababa sila doon. Yan. Ang ganda ng tubig talaga dito, sobra. Yan, pabalik na kami ngayon sa shift. Nauna na yung mga bata dahil kami mga adults ay bumili ng mga souvenirs. So, tendering again. Pila kami para sa small boat papunta dun sa aming ship. Dating gawin, sasakay na naman kami for tendering. This is the tender boat, pabalik dun sa aming main ship. Pagod na mga biyaheros. Gutom na, gutom. nakabalik na kami dito. Nakapag-embark na, nakapag-lunch na rin kami. Right now it's 2:30 and we're starting to move and start to sail na rin. Going back to Long Beach, California. This is the last day of our 7-day Mexican Riviera cruise. Last day in the land of Mexico. Tomorrow will be at sea. There's no other port to go. Magdamag kami and the whole day kami nasa silang, and then Saturday we'll arrive in Long Beach, California to disembark after around maybe 12 noon. Enjoy lahat ng mga bata. Siyempre, yung reason why we're here. It's a 2-week vacation. We started our journey from Calgary, Alberta. We drove all the way there to Long Beach, California. Nakapag Vegas, nakapag Hoover Dam, and nakapag Disneyland din. So, nag-enjoy talaga ang mga bata for this 2 weeks vacation. And for now, hopefully nag-enjoy kayo sa aming 2 weeks adventure with my friends and family, and hopefully samahan nyo ulit kami sa aming next destination. And as usual, samahan nyo si Kuya Val and bumasyal tayo with Kuya Val. See you next time.